Welcome to the Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery Test, Asvab Prep online lesson series. In this video, we will go over 12 questions on general science for the test. Are you preparing for the Asvab exam? Download the Asvab Prep 2025 app and take your practice to the next level. If you want faster improvement, you can request a one-on-one tutor directly from the app. Visit asvabtutoring.com for more information. So let's practice one by one. Which branch of science deals with the study of earthquakes? A. Topography. B. Cartography. C. Seismology. D. Physiology. The answer is C. Seismology is the scientific study of earthquakes and the waves they produce inside the earth. It helps scientists understand how and why earthquakes occur, measure their strength, and assess potential risks. Seismologists use instruments like seismographs to record ground vibrations and analyze seismic activity for safety and research. Next question is, why does a compass needle point towards the north? A. Earth's magnetic field. B. North Star's gravitational pull. C. The moon's position aligns the needle. D. Satellites in space align the needle. The correct answer is A. A compass needle points north because Earth acts like a giant magnet. The needle is a small magnet that aligns itself with Earth's magnetic field, which has a magnetic south pole near the geographic north pole. This natural magnetic force pulls the needle, causing it to point toward the north direction. What is the function of enzymes in the human body? A. Monitor responses. B. Move the muscles. C. Control the breathing rate. D. Speed up chemical reactions. The correct answer is D. Enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up chemical reactions in the human body. They help break down food, build new molecules, and support essential processes like digestion and energy production. Without enzymes, these reactions would occur too slowly to sustain life, making them vital for normal body functions. Sucrose, lactose, and fructose are different forms of A. Fat. B. Sugar. C. Protein. D. Vitamin. The correct answer is B. Sucrose, lactose, and fructose are all types of sugars. They are carbohydrates that provide energy to the body. Sucrose is table sugar. Lactose is the sugar found in milk, and fructose is a natural sugar found in fruits. Each has a different structure but serves as a source of energy. Next, vultures and blowflies are classified as A. Producers. B. Herbivores. C. Scavengers. D. Insectivores. The answer is C. Vultures and blowflies are classified as scavengers because they feed on dead animals and decaying organic matter. By consuming these remains, they help clean the environment and recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. Scavengers play an important role in preventing the spread of disease and maintaining ecological balance. A rose is A. An animal. B. A flower. C. A bird. D. A fish. The correct answer is B. Vultures and blowflies are classified as scavengers because they feed on dead animals and decaying organic matter. By consuming these remains, they help clean the environment and recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. Scavengers play an important role in preventing the spread of disease and maintaining ecological balance. Which of the following actions produces a chemical change? A. Boiling water. B. Burning the rice. C. Adding salt to the hot water. D. Melting butter on cooked rice. The correct answer is B. Burning rice produces a chemical change because it creates new substances, such as ash and smoke, that cannot be changed back into rice. Heat causes the rice's chemical composition to break down. The other options involve physical changes where the original substance can still be recovered. Which of the following causes a stone to become smooth and rounded? A. Continuous freezing and thawing. B. It was in a stream for a long time. C. Volcanic action. D. Resting on the seabed. The correct answer is B. A stone becomes smooth and rounded when it stays in a stream for a long time. The flowing water constantly rubs the stone against sand, gravel, and other rocks. This repeated abrasion gradually wears away rough edges, producing a smooth, rounded shape. The study of earthquakes is called Option A is seismology. Option B is terra firma. Option C is geology. Option D, topography. The correct answer is A. Seismology is the branch of science that focuses on earthquakes and the seismic waves they produce. Scientists called seismologists study how and why earthquakes occur, measure their strength, and analyze Earth's internal structure. This knowledge helps in predicting risks and improving safety in earthquake-prone areas. What causes groundwater and surface water pollution? A. Runoff from pesticides used on gardens and farms. B. Improper disposal of chemical wastes. C. Deposit of untreated sewage into rivers and lakes. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Groundwater and surface water pollution can result from many human activities. Pesticide runoff contaminates soil and water. Improper disposal of chemical waste introduces harmful substances, and dumping untreated sewage spreads toxins and pathogens. Together, these actions significantly degrade water quality and harm ecosystems. Which planet has an orbit around the Sun that is halfway between Venus and Mars? It is known to be covered by oceans and some land, and it has but a single moon. A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Earth. D. Uranus. The answer is C. Earth orbits the Sun between Venus and Mars. It is the only known planet with abundant liquid water, having vast oceans and continents of land. Earth also has just one natural satellite, the Moon, making it the planet described in the question. A solar eclipse happens when the Moon moves directly between the Earth and the Sun, blocking some or all of the Sun's light. This alignment causes the Sun's disk to appear partially or completely covered from Earth. Solar eclipses can be total, partial, or annular, depending on the Moon's position. The correct answer is A. A solar eclipse happens when the Moon moves directly between the Earth and the Sun, blocking some or all of the Sun's light. This alignment causes the Sun's disk to appear partially or completely covered from Earth. Solar eclipses can be total, partial, or annular, depending on the Moon's position.